Hey everyone, after working with SAP for a few years and traveling across the globe for SAP projects, one thing I always used to have, how can I keep track of all the SAP tables and T-codes which are linked to different modules? If you're working as a SAP consultant, then you must need to keep the name of the tables and the T-codes on your fingertips. For this, either you have to get the guidance from the known experts or sometimes you have to dig it out. After exploring the above query, I found a very easy way to dig out the SAP tables and the T-codes which are linked to the business process areas. So without knowing nothing, you can easily find the relevant tables and T-codes. So let's get started. For this, I'm going to use a T-code which is SE16T. So when you use the SE16T, it gives you multiple options up here. So I'm going to choose this, which actually should show you the T-code which are linked to that particular submodule or particular application area, or you can search from any point of it. So say for example, if I'm typing, if I want to know any T-code which are linked to asset accounting, so I'll be typing asset here. Okay, now the standard screen is showing all the T-code which are linked to asset accounting. See? Okay, and say for example, if I want to see like what functionality of this T-code is and like how this screen looks like and all. So when I click on that particular thing, that will take you to that particular screen. Okay. Let's see. Okay, and this is the most easiest way. Like you doesn't need to remember the T-codes anymore. You can simply go to SE16T, and then you can just type in wherever. What else module T-codes you want to know about it. Say for example, if I put the vendor up here, it will show you all the T-codes which are related to vendor. See, the below ones are all related to the vendor. F-41, F-43, F-44, F-48, F-48, FPL1H, which is your vendor line and browser. Okay, in the same way you can type. You can look for, say example, I'm looking for customer. Then I simply type customer up here. Then it will show you all the T-codes which are linked to customer. Look at that. So you can simply click on it and it will take you to the screen. So it is. Okay, so this is the one which actually shows you all the relevant T-codes which are linked to the business process areas. Okay, all you need to do is just type in for which particular thing you're actually looking for, and then the system will show you all the T-codes which are linked to that particular business process area. Now, as I said, one more thing which actually here it works is for the tables. So for the table part, you just need to click up here, which will show you all the relevant tables which are linked to that particular business process. Say example, if I'm looking for invoice, say, look at that. It's all the tables which are linked to all the invoices. That may be vendor invoice or any kind of invoices which are linked to this. If I want to see something about, say, payments, so the payment tables, down payments, Okay, so if you're looking some tables linked to clearing, so document for clearing, clearing transactions, clearing between company codes. Okay, and say example, if I'm looking for document header, the document header, this is the one document header, BKPF, and purchasing document header. Okay, so this is the most easiest way, like you can find whatever the tables it is which are linked to that particular business process areas, or if someone is new to SAP, and because I know as I really know that people are working in SAP environment, for them it's very hard for them to remember the Tcodes and the link to tables and all. But I think this is the most easiest way, because one single Tcode will give you the tables as well as the tables which are linked to it. Apart from this, you can see, you guys can simply go to SAP 16T, and then because SAP also provides certain options up here, so you can simply go there and you can explore this particular thing. Okay, okay, and that's all, man. So I request everyone to, if you like my video, please click on like button, and if at all you have any kind of comments, please leave the comments in the drop box. And I request everyone to please subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe my channel, it gives me a boost to create a few more videos. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.